The benefits of the swim gym are immense and very real. It's just a fabulous workout.
Introducing the Swim Gym, the simple and affordable way to get a continuous, fluid, aquatic-based workout in the comfort of your own home.
To be able to have resistance swimming at your own home, it's just a great overall system.
Whether you're already a great swimmer or just looking for a low-impact workout with great results, the Swim Gym will improve strength and mobility, give you more energy, burn twice as many calories as walking, and help you lose weight, all without expensive gym memberships or personal trainers. The stationary water creates 12 times the amount of resistance of air, while lowering your body weight by 90%, giving you a great workout in minutes. You can do freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, or even butterfly, all without leaving your home. You can also do strength training, elastic band exercises, or even add an Aquasizer Underwater Treadmill for a low-impact, high-intensity walking or running experience.
I'm 84 years old, and I use the Swim Gym. It's great on my back, it's great on my knees, and I love it.
Built from strong galvanized steel supports and heavy-duty river rafting material, the Swim Gym is light enough to be portable, but strong enough to stand up to just about anything. It can be set up quickly and has a small footprint that will fit in your yard, your garage, or even your basement. The Swim Gym's easy snap-together design means there's no nuts or bolts to lose, and every Swim Gym comes with a 110-volt plug-in filter pump system to keep the water clean and clear. It's also a great way to stay cool in the heat of summer. The Swim Gym from Splash Around Pools, a safe, simple, and affordable workout for people of all ages.